today's play activity is more ropes, which comes under the category of physical development of preschool students. So this can be shared with the preschool teachers and the parents who have the children of age 2 years to 6 years. The objective of this play activity is to develop large motor coordination and to do actions together and to learn to jump heights and to crawl on all fours. For this we need a thick rope about 20 meters long. Make the children stand in a line holding a rope. Now make them walk around the playground in the form of a train. Sing a song about a train while they are walking around. The train can go fast or slow and also stop at the station. Children can also move around like a snake or a boat with the rope as roars. We can have one variation here. Let two children hold a rope about 6 centimeters above the ground and the others must jump the rope without touching the rope. Raise a rope little each time the children have cleared the heights. Another variation we can have here. Let two children hold the rope up about 30 centimeters above the ground. The rest of the children form a line and crawl under the rope without touching it. Lower the rope a little for each round.